I'm Teacher Mike, and today we are talking about 5 words that people often use incorrectly when commenting on my videos. These words are interesting, interested, appreciate, explain, and explanation. For each of these words, we're going to talk about the mistakes that people make as well as how to use them correctly. And we're going to start with the words interesting and interested. The main mistake that I see people make with these is that they say things like, "I am very interesting your videos." And there are 2 problems here. The first problem is that it should be, "I am very interested," not "I am very interesting." When explaining how you feel about something, the thing is interesting. You are interested. The second problem is that when we use interested with an object, we need the word in. So instead of "I am very interesting your videos," it should be "I am very interested in your videos." And although "I am interested in your videos" is grammatically correct, I still probably wouldn't say that. We usually say that we are interested in a topic or an activity. For example, "I am interested in grammar," or "I am interested in improving my English." But videos are not really a topic or an activity, so I would probably just say, "Your videos are interesting," or "I find your videos interesting." This is like saying, "I enjoy watching them," and "I learn new things when I watch them. They are not boring." And next we have appreciate. And the mistake that I usually see people make with this one is that they try to use it like it's an adjective. They say things like, "I'm very appreciate your videos." The problem is that it's not an adjective. It's a verb. And it's not correct to say "I am very" verb. The correct thing to say is "I, no am, really" verb. For example, "I really like seafood," or "She really enjoys swimming." So the correct thing to say here is "I really appreciate your videos." And you can also use appreciate with you verb ing. For example, "I really appreciate you taking the time to help me with this." And finally, we've got explain, which is a verb, and explanation, which is a noun. And the mistake that people usually make with these is that they say things like, "Thank you for your explain." The problem here is that your needs to have a noun after it. So it should be "Thank you for your explanation," not "Thank you for your explain." If you want to use explain, you can, but it's going to be a bit different because when we use thank you with a verb, we say "Thank you for" verb ing. For example, "Thank you for explaining this." But yeah, that's all for today. I really appreciate you choosing to learn with me, and I hope you found this video interesting. Thank you for watching.